Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to import product reviews from Amazon to your Shopify store. This is a great way to boost your credibility. So, let's jump in. First, you have to install a review import app. To do so, go to shopify.com in your web browser and enter your account credential. Once logged in, go to apps and search for apps like judge.me or Opinu product reviews. I use APU Amazon reviews. If you haven't already installed it, just search for APU Amazon reviews. Once it appears on the store, you can search for it in the store like this. Type in APU and search for it in the store. Once in the store, it will appear and click on it and install it. After adding the app, now let's import reviews from Amazon. In the app, go to the app and select import. Now, here you can choose to import reviews from Amazon or AliExpress, Walmart, eBay, or even Goodreads, or to import them from files. Now, go to Amazon and choose the products review you want to import. Copy them and copy the link and paste it here. Copy the reviews link and paste it here, or the product's name, product's URL, and paste it here. Now choose your review criteria, then click import to bring reviews to your Shopify store. You can import this one. It's just an example. Here it's an invalid product URL because you have to choose a product from Amazon or AliExpress or Walmart. Now, after doing this, if you got the URL from Amazon, you will be the import will be successful. So after that, you have to customize the review settings. In the app, adjust review display options to match your store's layout and branding. Choose placements and style, then save your settings. And that's it. Your Shopify store now has reviews from Amazon, adding value and credibility to your products. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.